This is your Victoria crown pigeon, if I don't mistake myself. Yes, Gora Victoria, the Victoria crown pigeon from Papua New Guinea. Pretty little bird, isn't it? Nice. There's another one up on the nest there. This one's got spy holes to look through, so that the birds don't get bothered overly by. There's another little spy hole out there for little people. And lots of little pheasants on the ground there. Oh, and up in the tree, a small little ducks by the pond. It doesn't say what this particular one is, this one up in the tree there, does it? Kea. These are fine birds, these keas. It's a very intelligent bird. I can't work out where my kids are. And there's some dark flying. Oh, because they're bats. Oh, lots of tiny birds up in the tree. Isn't that lovely? Almost like Christmas decorations. That's beautiful. I think it's a canary collection or a finch collection. That's fantastic. If you had that in a little aviary attached to your house, you'd never get bored, would you? Little zebra finches as well in there. I used to have a pair of those. It didn't end well. And different examples of... Right. Right, ooh. I can't get through the ropes. Somebody needs to show me the ropes here. How to do it. What's that? What are you pointing up to? Okay, don't let him go. That'd be nice to... It would be nice. There's a famous bird in here, the golden oriole, which sometimes is coming up to people who attend this and actually is interacting with them quite a lot, and I'd love for that to happen to me. Don't know whether it will though. This is a lovely place. This is one of these open voliere places where you walk in through the door and you've got the ability to have a look at animals without there being anything between you and them. So that's an example of this bird that walks around over the lily pads. What's it called? A jacaranda? I can't remember. And no, it's a kind of tree. Jacaranda tree. Anyway, I can't remember the name of that. Anyway, it's got some polythene lily leaves for it to walk about on. I don't think there's quite enough light in here for real water lilies. You're going to try and fall in there, over your back and fall in and take your brother with you, are you? Is that the idea? Okay. This looks like a good place for photography, but I'm afraid the new camera, I'm not quite sure when the flash will work and when it won't work, so I may have to... Yeah, you're not supposed to do flashing with animals, it's not fair. Oh, there's something going quite rapidly up there. What's that? Some kind of a miner. Miners have to be accompanied by adults. No, I can't see it actually.
It's actually up there.
Is it? Oh, I can't see any white bird up there. Well, there's a little red one in there, actually, a little red one.
Shall I
Hang on, don't, because there's a little red one there.
Well, there's a white one down there.
Careful of him. Are you going to let him fall in the water?
No.
Why don't you just keep... Because I can't feel man hold his hand at the same time, that's the thing. That's a nice one. Okay, I'll try and use the cannon for a bit. See if that gets me anywhere. So one of the reasons I had this camera recommended is that it nicely records sounds. So I'll let you hear this bird song in this aviary here, this lovely big aviary, and hopefully that's too close up to nice wide angle. I'll shut up and let you hear the birds talk to themselves. Hopefully you can hear that. You can hear my son doing his don't worry, be happy theme. Okay. That's a barley starling. You can't hear it because I've got glass in between this time. Pretty bird. See if I can get up close to it. See if I can improve the focus. No, can only make it worse. It's only on one particular part of barley. Very pretty, very elegant looking. I'm sure I filmed this before, the Kia. But very interactive, this bird. As well as being very pretty. Follows its visitors around. It definitely likes this kid. Oh, it likes the tortoises. It's got for it. Hello. Because George keeps up a constant stream of consciousness with his cooing and wailing. I always know where they are. Don't worry. Be happy. Woo, 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 woo. Okay.